Hi guys, so on today's episode of Fun Things to Do in Abuja, we went karting. Oh, we went to go karting. Is that right? Anyway, we went to this place that is in Central Park in Abuja, but they did not allow me to do like proper videos and stuff, so this is all you get. Come with us to the speed lane.
Oh, my mask got caught.
Sorry. And then we went to this place called the Dome. They have a bowling center here. I had fun. No, Patrick, last this way. Guys, I failed woefully at bowling. Then went to this place called Pow or Po. I don't know, they had really good food and ate, and this chicken was the truth. And then that was the end of our day. Please subscribe, like, share, comment if you haven't. I love you.